Yarramundi. Look at it, I'm standing on the boat ramp. So you can see the, this has all had water run over it. All the way up there it looks like. Oh yeah, all the rocks have been filled in with sand, look at that. So the river's gone down substantially, but it's still not enough to fish Yarramundi. There's the bridge. Got a little bit chockers. Oh. It's bloody. There's a little bit of build up there. Really wonder what all the beaches are going to be like here. Even if the platform's still out there. Anyway.